Previous session, I will show you how to I collect data, how to train the data set, how to build the model, then how to evaluate the model. Now I so how to uh, create a after you're um, done all of this, how to uh, create a desktop application. As you see, follow the same process. I train um, model for number, I train for alphabet, I train for word. Okay, so I train only 1 to 9, total 9 number is just for testing part. Then I train A to Z alphabet. Then for word I only train to word like and beautiful. If you want, you train you collect data and train more than and what you want you do it. Okay, so I use Tkinter for convert this code into a application. Okay, I use Tkinter. um, so one thing, if you run this project, this code, you see my final interface. Suppose I want to one number as a number for alphabet. Actually, my system processor is very low. That's why it's take a lot of time. And let's see. mm, so one thing I show you. So for uh, run this code, otherwise for run this code, you first copy this code and open your chat GPT, paste it and write the library and then go again. As you see, you uh, total six library are present for run this code, and we only need to two library. You definitely for run this code, you have to need this library OpenCV and NumPy. NumPy already have normally Jupyter Notebook are provided already pre-installed, but OpenCV is not pre-installed and CVN. So you run this code. You run this code. Just uh, copy and paste before you start the before you run this code. Before you run this code, this process apply for all the process, because of for run this run those all of code, you need to record some libraries. So which library you just paste it, and ChatGPT or tell which library you need. You just then it run. Okay, I already installed it, that's why I'm not run this code. Okay, so um, all things uh, I done I saw. If you have any problem, if you don't understand, you write it in comment, which part you not understand. So I recommended you. I try to fix your problem. I try to solve your problem. Okay, thank you guys. See you. Bye bye.